Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Max, and in this video we're going to talk about the Dremel Stylo. And this particular one is a Dremel Stylo Plus, and I got this back in 2021 and just haven't had a chance to use it, so I just wanted to see what it can do. Alright, let's check it out. This particular Dremel Stylo version is Stylo Plus, which comes with 15 accessories, which is indicated by the part number 2050 Tech 15 at the end of it. This claims to be an ultra lightweight unit. The specifications are as follows: 120 volt, 60 hertz, 0.5 amps, 5 to 22,000 RPM, and it weighs about 6.8 ounces. On the back, we have all the accessories that comes with this unit for carving, cleaning, and sanding, and the different collets that also comes with this unit. Here's all the examples of the applications that you may use this unit for. Alright guys, let's check this out, unbox it, and see what it can do. Alright, so in the box we get the unit itself with the collet nut and the power cord, and this baggie comes with all the accessories that were talked about on the box. And this also comes with the operating and safety instructions. If this is your first time using the Dremel, this has everything that you might ever want to know on how to operate one. This also comes with the quick start guide, different languages, and talks about the accessories that this comes with and what it can do, how to install it real quick and start using it, and so on. To set it up, I'm going to take one of these burrs out of this kit. So we'll probably take this one and we'll put our collet nut on here. And the way this operates, that you have a little lock button right there, so you can twist this to tighten it. So you hold this and you tighten this nice and tight. This kit also comes with a little wrench, so if you want to tighten it a little tighter, there you go. Alright, and then you plug this in. Let's plug this in real quick. And let's turn it on. Alright, so this is level 1. This goes all the way up to 22,000 RPM. Not too bad. To test this unit, I want to get this water bottle, my test water bottle, and I want to engrave some things on here and see how it does. The problem is the collet that this came with is for 1/8 shank. And the bit that I would like to use today is 1/16, I believe. And what I do have is this keyless chuck, is Dremel number 4486, and I will include that in the description below. The cool thing about this one is it can go from 1/32 to 1/8, so it's a pretty big span. All you got to do is just take this chuck off and this collet and place this on here. Whoa. Just like that. Now you can put any bit that you have right in here. Just like that. Alright, so I have my stylo set to level 5, which is 22,000 RPM. I have my keyless chuck with the tungsten carbide burr. Let's give this a try. What do you guys think? I think it came out pretty good. The one thing I noticed as I was engraving is that I have a little bit of movement, and you can definitely hear that. I'm used to using a different piece. This is a micromotor made by Fordham, and this is a lot more expensive a piece. Obviously, this is about $500, so I would expect to have some kind of quality versus the Dremel Stylo. And yeah, a little bit weird seeing this little bit of a movement, but it still performs pretty well, and I would definitely see myself using in future projects. Thank you guys for watching this video, and let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the Dremel Stylo. If you have one, please let me know down in the comments what you use it for, and if you had any luck using it. This is going to be my first time using it, so I'm definitely eager to find out what it can do. I'm definitely going to be planning on using it in future engraving projects and so on. So thank you guys for watching, and leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This particular Dremel Stylo comes with the 15 accessories, which is accessories.